What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna put some black emblems for the rear for the Supra. Let's do it. What's up guys, we're back again. So today we have a cool video. I found something very good and cool. So I'm gonna replace this emblem for an all black emblem. No more chrome. We're gonna delete this chrome. And this, the GR, the Gazoo Racing, we're gonna put a black emblem that is all black. Okay, so let's replace this one for a new one. Let me show you the emblems. I have it right here. Have them right here. So this is the GR emblem and this is the Supra. It's all black, no more chrome. Same thing for this one. Looks amazing. So let's install this. Okay, the first step, before we remove the emblems, we have to put masking tape so that we know where the logo goes. Okay, we don't want to put it a crooked, this here or here and there. Okay, same thing for this one. We're gonna put masking tape to put it on the same spot. Okay, so let's do that first. Okay, now we have the first one. Use a thin squeegee like this one. You can see it. It's very nice, all black, no more chrome. Yes, I'm still gonna put the carbon fiber decal on top of this one because I like the carbon fiber, but now it's the chrome delete. No more chrome for this one. So one done, let's do the next one. Same process. If you want, you can add a little bit of heat with the hair dryer to make it softer. Okay, still has a little bit, but I'm gonna put the logo on top. But if you want, you can use a goof off to remove this glue. Wow, looks amazing. Look at this, beautiful. And this, wow. It's a little bit longer than the OEM, but it's just like a millimeters wider. Okay, but yeah, it's the same. And if you want this to last longer, remove the glue from the back. I didn't remove the whole thing, but it's okay, it's gonna last, this one. Okay, the link for this emblems, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below. Okay. Okay guys, those are the rear emblems for the Supra all black, the Supra all black, and the GR Gazoo Racing emblem. Okay, the link for those products are gonna be in the description of the video down below, and also the carbon fiber decal for the emblem. Okay, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.